Welcome to Independence Journey. This is a review of my US growth stock portfolio for November 2021. In November, there were two notable events that affected the market. The first one was Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's hawkish comment. He said it's time to retire the word transitory when describing inflation. It means he's probably gonna discuss at the next policy meeting about wrapping up the taper quicker than expected. A speedier taper plan would mean the Fed could hike rates sooner than previously expected, which would be extremely impactful to the market. The second one was the emergence of the new Omicron variant. Omicron variant poses risks to employment and economic activity and put downside pressure on the stock market. In spite of the events that negatively affected the market, the performance of growth stocks wasn't bad in November. Nasdaq 100 went up 1.9% and growth index went up 0.6%. However, small cap stocks were hit hard. Russell 2000 went down 4.3% and Russell Microcap dropped 5.2%. Majority of the stocks in my portfolio went down too, and I took the drop as an opportunity to add more shares. Let's move on to the dashboard of my portfolio. The month-end balance of my portfolio in November is $5,340. During the month, the balance has been increased by $664, which is 14.2%. My objective is to grow the value of this portfolio to $1 million by the end of 2030. I'm uploading a portfolio review every month, so if you'd like to watch the progress of my journey to $1 million, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. All of the increase in portfolio balance came from the new addition of shares. Without the new purchase, the balance change of this month would have been negative. When the stock market went down due to the events that I mentioned earlier, I bought more shares of Digital Turbine, SoFi, Amwell, Nano, and Palantir. These are the ones that dropped a lot recently. Still, some stocks are performing well. Lucid is up 167% since my first purchase, which happened in August. Unity and Tesla are also doing well. This donut chart shows the allocation of my portfolio. Tesla is the biggest position, and Lucid, Palantir, and Digital Turbine follow. In November, I used all available cash in my account to buy stocks. Now, I have only $4. Next, let's take a look at the market value of the portfolio over time. The market value has increased, but we know it's because I bought more shares. The percentage change of market value has decreased compared with October. The value of this stock represented with indigo color grew a lot, and this stock is Lucid. The market value of Lucid grew about 40%, 43.2% to be exact, in November. This tab shows the percentage change in share quantity. I have increased the share quantity of Digital Turbine by 200% and that of SoFi by 100%. As we can see, I added Digital Turbine shares more than twice compared with other stocks I bought. I'll tell you the reason with the stock price chart. After Digital Turbine reported its earnings, the stock price plunged. I waited a day and bought some shares on November 4th. However, the price kept falling and falling. In hindsight, I should have waited with more patience. Because I thought the price I paid here was not low enough, I added more shares on November 26th. Here, when the stock was oversold in terms of RSI. I added Digital Turbine shares 2 times, and that's why the share quantity of Digital Turbine was increased a lot more than other stocks I added in November. That was my portfolio review for November 2021. If you have enjoyed this video, please help this channel grow by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support. I also recommend checking out my other videos that may interest you. Thank you for watching.